The Goodwill store is my favorite thrift store so far because everything is organized. Everything is one price in certain sections. If there are a whole bunch of dresses, they're all one price. Hey YouTube fam, so today we are going thrifting. I am taking you on a thrifting haul. Well, let's hope it's a haul. I have a list in my mind of things that I need that if I find, I will show you after, but I'm going to take you to one of my favorite thrift stores. So let's go. So you see, when thrifting, you can still find items that are brand new at discounted prices. So I am going to see, they have the shoes that are all organized, and this one is really organized where everything is by size. So let me go to my size and see what we can find. So these shoes here are cute. They're not my style, but the good thing is they're only $8.29 and they're brand new. So if you were looking for something that was trendy to just keep in your closet to wear on that special occasion, thrifting is perfect because you can thrift them and wear them and then just donate them again. So this is a good deal here. Before I jump into more thrifting gems, I had to share this unboxing with you because glasses aren't just for seeing, they are for styling too. These beauties just came in from Firmoo, and let me tell you, they are everything. They arrived beautifully packaged with a gift card offer and care instructions. Now look at this detail. The gold accents across the tops and sides. Yes, please. I love that they come with a clip-on so you can switch from readers to sunglasses in a snap. Whether you need a prescription or not, they elevate your look instantly. I love me some designer sunglasses, but with that hefty price, these are the definite go-tos for a designer look and a designer feel. I am so impressed with the quality and the style of these sunglasses. Even the clip-on is stylish and lightweight. Here I am wearing them outdoors. Notice how the transition into the perfect sunglasses look. But even as reading glasses, they are effortlessly chic. Glasses like these aren't just functional, they are an accessory. The right pair can seriously make or break an outfit. Here I demonstrate how easy they are to take off and how easy they are to place back on. Did you hear that click sound? Satisfying. These stylish glasses pair beautifully with my outfit and my gold jewelry. If you're looking for an affordable alternative to transition frames, these clip-ons give you full control, readers when you need it and sunglasses when you want it. Use my code VJOH50 for an exclusive 50% off your purchase. Now let's get back to the video. So these shorts are $5.49. I would get these shorts. They're a Lucky brand, and yeah, it's just not the style that I'm looking for. Size 6 also, it's too small. But for $5.49, I would get it. If it was $10, like I found the pair of black ones, let me show you. These here are $10 and some change. These are from Old Navy. Old Navy. These are really, really nice. But I'm going to be honest with you. I can find these on sale brand new at Old Navy for the $10 and some change. So I'm considering getting these still, even though they're not $7 or $5. Not for sure, but this would be something normally that I would pass up for $10 because once again I could get them on sale at $10 at Navy. And but let's see, yeah, so we'll see, but I'm going to keep looking for the deals and steals. So right now I'm in the kids department because I don't mind really thrifting used clothes for children because they don't really wear them that much. And yeah, so I don't see anything particular yet for my grandchildren, but if I find something, I will get it for them. Um, yeah, let's see what else. But I'm going to take my time and scroll through the store. Now, one thing I want to point out, when you are shopping at the thrift store, dress comfortably. Today I have on just like a tank top from Target. I have these jeans here that I had for a while. I don't know where they're from. And I thrifted this shirt that I have on here from Goodwill. Love it. It's so comfortable. I got it from the men's department. And then I have on my what am I wearing? My Schultz sandals. So very comfortable. You want to be comfortable when you're thrifting because it's going to take time. You want to look through things and take your time. So that's the key. Take your time, have a list of what you need, and then if you see something that's just a great price and you think you can use it in the future, just get it. Just get it, because at the end of the day, you could just donate it again. This doesn't seem like it was worn. There's a lot of fast fashion in here too. This is from Shein. Not needed, but if I was looking for something like this, I would definitely pick it up. It's in good condition. So here's a dress from Fashion Nova. I don't need a green dress. It's really nice. It looks more blue on the screen, but it's actually a emerald green. It's showing here in the store. So that's something to grab if you know you like this style and you know you may go out to an event. Just pick it up and keep it in your closet. This is brand new with the tags and it's $19.99, so that's well worth it. So you have to know the deals to shop for, because look at this. This is $9.99. It's not brand new with tag. Creativity and spirituality energy. Well, spiritual energy. What is wrong with me? Long story short, not like it's designer. It says, okay, it's Aeropostale, but it's not worth $9.99. So I would definitely highly recommend not to go with this and to find something else that's more in the $2.79. This is from Target, and this one is Wild Fable. It's a crop top, and I'm sure you can find more like this one. But yeah, just be careful with the pricing when you're thrifting. So I thought that Louis Vuitton bag right there was real, and possibly I lucked out, but it wasn't. I looked at it and it's definitely not an authentic Louis Vuitton bag. It's terribly made. Hey guys, so that is it. I am done thrifting. I did not leave with anything, and that is surprising. I didn't leave with anything at all because I'm not going to just buy just because. I had a mission in mind. If I found something that was going to elevate and add to my wardrobe, I would purchase it. If I found something that is trendy that I was looking for, like I found those silver shoes, those are nice for the summer, were not my size and they weren't newer enough. They were used. I don't get anything that's too used and too broken in, so I didn't get those. Those green shoes, those were nice, but it wasn't my style. Brand new, color, nice, but that's just not my style, so I didn't get that. I found some stuff for the grandchildren, but I knew it wasn't their style, so I left that. With that being said, tips for going to the thrifting store: dress comfortably. Okay. Second tip, take your time. Make sure you have eaten already. Make sure you have water or something with you. Make sure you have your shopping bags, okay? Because the whole point of thrifting is to reuse, right? Reduce, reuse. And you want to have your own bags. We don't want to buy plastic bags or ask them for plastic bags, which they probably don't have anyway. Looking for something, like I said, have your list and know what you want and know what you need and know what you don't need. And if it's something that you didn't need, but you're like, I can use it and I can get it and use it for later, but you know you can fit it and you know you can style it a certain way, maybe something you saw on Pinterest, get it, okay? Definitely get it. But don't get stuff that you already have in your wardrobe that's not good quality or too expensive. Like, I'm going to show you a couple of items. They were not the price that I would pay for them for the name. I find bargains at the store, the regular store. So some of these things, even though it may have been maybe like, Charlotte, that was $10. Come on now. No, I'm not paying $10.49 for a used t-shirt like that. No, I'm going to pay $5.49 or $7.49. That would be my max. Now, the Goodwill store I like because they have set prices. It's t-shirts are $7.49. Dresses are $11 and some change. It's real simple. It's no like, oh, let me look and see what this price is. It's let me look and see what I like and you grab it. So I prefer the Goodwill store so far, but I am going to take you to a couple of other thrift stores in my neighborhood and on journey, and we'll see if we can find other things. Now, that this Louis bag I saw in there, I was like, is that a real Louis? Because it's behind the counter. Sometimes things are real, sometimes they're not authenticated, even though they're all made from China. But with that being said, I checked it out. I looked inside the interior of the bag and the quality just wasn't there. I knew it was not authenticated Louis Vuitton, so I left it. If it was a real Louis bag, would I have gotten it? Maybe, maybe not. I don't need a pink glossy Louis Vuitton bag. That's just not me. But it would have been nice to say, oh, I got this Louis Vuitton from the thrift store. But no, that didn't work out because that was not an official authenticated. It was a replica. That was pretty much it. And I'm not going to buy a replica. I could go to New York City to Delancey Street and buy me a real quality brand new replica. So that is it. I got my tips for the thrift store. 1, dress comfortably. 2, make sure you've eaten before you got there. 3, when you go there, have a list. Make sure you go down the aisles that you are interested in what you're looking for. Do not go down the aisles where you're not looking for particular items. Like in my case, I was not looking for cut off tees or no sleeveless tees. I was not looking for that, so I did not go down that aisle. That thrift store is very, very organized. Second of all, shoe department. When you go to look for the shoes, yes, you want to go to your size, but you also want to look at the rest of them because sometimes people move things and place them in different places. And the last time I was there, that's how I got my sandals. They were in a size 9 or 10, and I was like, oh, I can fit these. They're not even in the right location. Let me grab these. So just take your time, be patient. And if you don't find anything that day, just keep going back because you're going to find something. Believe me, you're going to find something because people are donating every day. Like, for instance, I have a stack of things at home that I need to donate and I just haven't gotten to it. So, that is it. Those are my thrifting tips for you. If there are any thrifting tips that I may have left out, please let me know. Leave them in the comments below. And yeah, that's pretty much it. One more thing. I don't know if this is recorded before because I recorded and it wasn't recorded. I just thrifted this belt the other day and I was like, that belt is nice because I need to do my accessories. I looked it up and I found out that was an Hermes type of dupe belt that was sold at Forever 21 and DH Gate. And I'm like, oh, I see. Now, would I have looked up if it was Hermes? Yeah. Would they have known that it was Hermes and charged more? Yeah. But still, nice belt. And I paid less than I got like $7 for it. So I'll show that to you guys too. So, and I thrifted some shoes that I saw at Zara. I was going to get, but Zara didn't have my size. There's a little something that I need to tweak with these shoes, which I will show you that also. So just also to add to it, since we're on that topic with tweaking, make sure you are willing to make some alterations and tweak certain things with things items, clothing that or shoes or accessories that you thrift, because you may have to get something altered or tailored. Okay, everything's not going to be perfect. It's not custom, it's not made for you. So just keep that in mind. All right, so that is it, guys.